Hello everyone. So today I'm doing a study of my precision over time when redrawing tree curve from observation. So basically what I've done is I've drawn a cube of 5 pixels, of not a cube but a square of 5 pixels by 500 pixels by 500 pixels. I've drawn a bunch of curves, so just 3 here. And what I've done on another one just next to it, I've tried to redo the same curve, first in 1 minute, then in 5 minutes, then in 10 minutes, then in 15 and 20 minutes. And at each step I measured my accuracy. So first one in 1 minute, I'm accurate at 4.1%. So the black line is my drawing, and the gray one is the reference. The reference when I was drawing was not here, obviously. So for 3 lines in 5 minutes. Basically, I just continued on the 1 minute one. I just copied it and I continue working on this one for 4 minutes. 3.7% precision, then 10 minutes like that, 3% precision, then at 15 minutes I was like that at 1.6% of precision, and then at 20-minute mark I reached the 1% precision. And when I reached that point, I could still see that it was not exactly the same as this one, but I really had an hard time figuring out where I should change the line, and so I didn't think that I would make much improvement in 5 more minutes, so I stopped here. In the end, if I make a graph of my progression over time, so when I start at 1 minute, where is my cursor? Yeah, here. Okay. When I start at 1 minute, I was at 4, then I go at 5 minutes at 3.7, then at 10 minutes at 3, then at 15 minutes 1. I don't remember, 1.4, something like that, and then at 20 minutes at 1%. So the OK and Pro is from the other video where I try to see what percent of precision make an OK drawing, a Pro drawing, a bad drawing, and all that stuff. I will link it in the description. And yeah, so there is the start. You have your quick precision are where you start. If you start maybe drawing, your starting precision might be at 8% or 10%. I don't know. I should test with other people to see what they get. And I think you can probably improve and try to go as low as possible. Because after that, if you want to reduce the errors, it's not precision here that I should have written. It's error. Sorry for this mistake. Anyway, let's continue, but just know that yeah, it's error. I will fix it live. Error. Okay, and it's the error. Okay. Anyway, so what I've done also after that, I tried to make an estimation of how much time it will take me to do a regular drawing. A regular drawing is that I'm doing when I do a face observation is close to 150 lines from what I've seen in my previous video on tracing. And so if we think about that, if I do a 1 hour drawing like I usually do, me 0.4 minutes per line, and then I would get 4% precision, because how do I get that number? Is simply so here this is my number per line. If I multiply this number by 3 like I do here, I will get the same value here as my 3 line. Here it's only 1 line, but if I multiply by 3, I have 3 lines, and I have 3 lines in my drawing here. So it should be for 0.4 multiplied by 3, it should be around 1. So I should get a 4% precision. And so that's an estimation. It's not really sure that it's like that, because then I try to do for other time, if I do in 2 hours, in 4 hours, or 8 hours. 8 hours, I'm still at 3%. I don't really think that if I work 8 hours on a drawing, I'm on 3%. Yesterday I've done a drawing. It was a 50-line drawing. I counted them, and I did it in 1 hour and a half. And at the end, I was at 1.8% accuracy. And but my estimation following this graph tell me that I should be at 3.6. So it's not it's not it's not estimating well. So what I think it might be going on is that when you have more lines, it's easier to have some point of reference and to make comparison. So, and also when you draw a new line, when you already have a lot of line, it's easier to find relations between what you have already drawn. So with the time, with more line, I think you can get more precision easily. And I will try to see if I can get more information on that, and for that I will make another video where I will try some other references. So this one here is just 3 lines, but I've prepared one for 6 lines. If I zoom here, prepared one for 6 lines, 9 lines, 12 lines, and 20 lines. And we'll see if having more lines make it easier to be more precise, which I think it is. But yeah, that's it for this video. My final opinion is that maybe if I really try to train something, it should be try to train the first minute precision, or the first minute error that I make should be as low as possible, because after that you can correct it a little bit, but it seems, at least at the moment, that it takes too much time to just correct. I think you can correct one time, you want 5 minutes for correcting it. After that, you still make progression, but it's weird. But we will see when I do the 20-minute one. Maybe we'll see another kind of curve, like something like that, and it will be clearer what's interesting to do. Maybe if it's like that, you know that you have to take 5 minutes. Anyway, we'll see on the other one. Alright, bye guys.